Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Curtis. Up on the bench today is a NP241C. It is out of this particular one's out of a 1992 GMC K2500. This particular unit I actually picked up for my own personal truck. And today we're going to open it up and see what it looks like inside, what I need to do for a rebuild. But we're going to start by tearing it apart and seeing what's inside. Tail housing here. Brake loose. Out she comes. Next here we have our speed sensor housing. There we are. Took some beating. We'll just tap. And there's a snapper on the other side, but we'll get this off first. Go. Pop. Just like that. Alrighty, the inside looks pretty normal. I mean, obviously there's no bearing or nothing supporting this side, so our chain tension might vary from what it actually was in the sprocket onto our output shaft off. We'll get that later. Everything should slide off. So this should slide out just like that. And now we have main shaft, chain, and the output shaft sprocket. And this is our 4-low shift fork. Her planetary is held in by a snap ring on the other side, but we're not quite built yet. Let's clean up a little bit of fluid. Oh, let's get our output flange off our output shaft. Oh, look at that, it just comes right off. So off it comes. This should just drop right when I open it up. There we go, it started. Out it comes. Look at that. So here's all our parts later on the table. I know that was kind of fast. I tend to go through these. It's kind of hard to pace myself with these transfer cases. They seem to just fall apart as soon as I get my hands on them. But here's all our pieces. We've got our case components, our chain, case bolts, speed sensor, tone ring, our shift ratchet and linkage, our shift forks and collars, our output flange, our output shaft, front output flange, I apologize, the sprocket for our front output shaft, our oil pump, our input planetary, our front planetary seal, our main shaft, and then we have the main shaft chain sprocket, shift synchro for that. So if you're looking for NP241C parts like these ones, if you're looking to get your daily back on the road or your project underway, check out the Valorous Wrecking eBay store. The link will be up top and in the description. Appreciate you watching, and I can't wait to put this back together.